You have a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and you can get your fingertip in there. And this is a caliper. If I just basically do my best to open up, it's going to measure maybe about 0.02. Now, is this door waterproof? That's the question. How far can I dunk my camera and not get it wet? We'll let it sit there for a couple of seconds. This is how I test out to see if the camera is waterproof. What I'm going to do is pat this dry because I don't have any tissues with me. It looks pretty dry. Maybe just a little bit of wetness showing. And I'm going to open up the door. Give you a close-up shot what it looks like inside. Do you see any wetness in the camera at all? I'm going to pull the door off. Came off very easy. And put the new door on. I'm going to close it up. I basically put my fingers there and it's closed to my finger. And I can't open it up at all. The door is closed. I'm going to do the same dunk test. While that's in there, I'm going to come here and I'm going to take the door apart. You simply get underneath here and you snap it apart and it comes off. That is what the door looks like. There's water here and in there. And there's water here and here. There may be a little here. If you don't believe me, close-up shot at the camera, and let's hope it focuses in. Now, can we fix this door? This pin here pushes against here, and these little clips, they lock in here to the side. If they're not precise, they miss. And when these clips get pushed by the button here, close-up shot, as you can see, they get pushed in, this comes out, and this slides away from these two clips and opens up. I tried every which way I can to bend them, to get them to work. But if you can move your door like this, then that button and that metal is the problem. Let's pat dry the camera again. It's a little wet still. Open up the door. And I am pretty dry, as you can see, as the light hits it. That's locked. People are complaining that this side may be damaged as well. It's in the water. You don't need a calibrator to find out the distance of the opening, you need to get with DJI about your camera and being defective on the part that they have out there on the market. A little water in here. A little water over here. But everything else is dry. That is how I test for a camera being waterproof before I go in the full water. DJI. At the bottom, you see a human being. Click it. It opens up and start to navigate till you see the product, Action Mobile, and when they're open, that's simple to get with them. Like I said, I simply showed them the door opening with the photo of the front, the back, and a video of it opening, 11-second video, and said I like to send not the camera back, but just get a door replacement, and they granted my wish. That is all I did. So if you're in a region that you do not know how to get to DJI, this video should have been helpful to you in contacting DJI. If you are with a brand new camera, a return is first. If you're after the return period, after sales is second. And last but least, you don't want to go through the hassle? You could purchase the door yourself for $40. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you very much for viewing.